Hey there, birthday enthusiasts. Are you ready to make your birthday unforgettable? Whether you're turning 10 or 100, this ultimate birthday preparation guide is here to help you celebrate your special day like a pro. From planning the perfect party to choosing the right theme, we've got all the tips and tricks you need to make your birthday truly memorable. So, grab your party hats, and let's dive into the fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Alright, let's kick things off with our birthday preparation checklist. First up, planning your party. Decide on the type of celebration you want. Will it be a cozy gathering with close friends and family, or an extravagant bash with all your loved ones? Once you have a vision, it's time to choose a theme. This could be anything from a classic color scheme to a favorite movie or hobby. Trust me, a well-thought-out theme sets the tone for an amazing birthday party. Next, let's talk about decorations. You can go all out with balloons, streamers, and table settings that match your theme. If you're feeling crafty, DIY decorations can add a personal touch. And don't forget about lighting. Fairy lights can create a magical atmosphere. Now, on to the delicious part, food and drinks. Think about your favorite dishes or snacks. You could have a buffet-style spread, a potluck where everyone brings a dish, or even a fun food truck. Don't forget the cake. Whether you bake it yourself or order from a bakery, make sure it reflects your theme. And for drinks, consider fun mocktails or themed beverages that will keep everyone refreshed. What's a party without some fun activities? Plan some games and entertainment that match your crowd's vibe. From classic party games to karaoke or even a photo booth, the right activities keep the energy up and everyone engaged. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even hire a magician or a DJ to take your party to the next level. And remember, timing is everything. Send out those invites in advance and keep an eye on RSVPs to finalize your guest list. The last thing you want is to be scrambling last minute. Also, make sure to have a plan for the day of the party. Delegate tasks to friends or family to help with setup and cleanup. This way, you can focus on enjoying your special day. And there you have it, your ultimate birthday preparation guide. With these tips, you're all set to celebrate your special day like a pro. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and make it personal. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning, and let the birthday magic begin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share your birthday plans in the comments below. Who knows, your idea might inspire someone else. Until next time, happy celebrating!